Listen, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding mama and you are not bothered with this summer heat, then skip this video. But if you are bothered with this summer heat and you want to know how to increase energy and hydrate, keep watching. Let's get into the recipe. So I have watermelon here. Watermelon is such a high water content food that makes it perfect for hydration. Next is frozen strawberry. Strawberry has tons of antioxidants that your body needs and your baby needs as well. I have mint. Mint is very helpful for hydration and nausea. If you're in your first trimester, you don't want to skip using mint. You don't want to skip using ginger. As you can see, I have ginger over there as well. Ginger is shown by research to decrease the symptoms of nausea. It also helps to give a kick to the drink. Speaking of kick, lemon. Oh my god, this is the deal. Lemon is also helpful in this drink to help the drink to keep for longer in the refrigerator to up to 5 days. Yes, 5 days. Okay, and also it helps with the nausea going back to the first trimester. So this is for the first trimester, all these ingredients, the small little things, but also for the second, for the third, and for the fourth. You know what the fourth is? For breastfeeding and postpartum. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the watermelon into chunks. I'll then add the frozen strawberry in, the mint goes in as well, ginger, and the squeeze of lemon. And don't forget our favorite sweetener, that's the date. I'm going to take the pit out and add it to the fruit. So now I'm adding some water. Easily add coconut water if you like, because coconut water has a ton of minerals that adds to the hydration power of this drink. So if you have coconut water, please go for it, and that even is a plus. All right, so I'm going ahead to blend this to smooth. I would strongly advise to add in some ice and then reduce the amount of water that you add in to blend it. If you don't have ice and your watermelon is cold or frozen, that is even good. But if you have ice, please add it, and it's gonna make you feel so good internally and then refreshing with all the goodness of the minerals and the taste of the watermelon plus the mint plus the strawberry plus the date. Remember, this is gonna last you for at least a few days, from about 5 days to a week, especially if you add even more lemon and ginger, because those act like preservative and they help to keep the drink even longer in the refrigerator. So if you like this video, I hope you make this recipe and you cool yourself down a bit in this summer heat. Please don't forget to like this video, to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And until I see you next time, be in the best of health and iman. Assalamu alaikum.